Unpacking Idioms. What does "by a fluke" mean? Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel, where we make learning English easy and fun. In today's video, we're going to explore a very interesting phrase that you might come across in movies, books, or even casual conversations. It's the phrase, "by a fluke." Have you ever heard someone say they won something by a fluke? Or got a question right by a fluke? Well, by the end of this video, you'll understand exactly what they mean. So, let's get started. The term fluke has various meanings, but when someone uses the phrase "by a fluke," they're talking about something that happened unexpectedly or by a stroke of luck. It's when something occurs in a way that the person didn't anticipate or plan for, and they probably can't easily replicate because it was not due to their skill or effort. To understand it better, let's break it down. By this preposition is often used to indicate the means or agency through which something is achieved. A fluke. This part of the phrase refers to an unlikely chance occurrence, especially a surprising piece of luck. Now, combining them, when something happens by a fluke, it's as if luck took the steering wheel for a moment and led to an unexpected positive outcome. Let's look at some examples to see how you can use "by a fluke" in everyday English. 1. I never play basketball, but I tried a shot from mid-court and made it by a fluke. 2. She didn't study for the test, but by a fluke, she guessed the answers correctly. 3. Our team won the game by a fluke when the opposing team's best player accidentally scored an own goal. These examples help to demonstrate that "by a fluke" emphasizes the lack of intention and control in the success or outcome of the situation. Now, it's your turn to try. Take a moment to think about a time when something went your way, and you had nothing to do with it. Maybe you found money on the street, or you won a prize in a raffle ticket drawing. How would you describe that experience using "by a fluke"? Feel free to pause the video and practice saying a few sentences out loud. Interestingly, fluke can also be used in other contexts to refer to a part of an animal, like the fluke of a whale or a flounder, or a type of worm or anchor. But don't get confused. When you hear "by a fluke" in everyday conversation, it's almost always about something happening by chance. Also, be mindful of similar phrases that convey the notion of randomness or luck, like "by chance," "by accident," or "a stroke of luck." While they are not exact synonyms, they can sometimes be used interchangeably depending on the context. And there we have it. You now know what "by a fluke" means and how to use it in a sentence. It's a handy phrase for those moments when the stars align, and things just go your way without any rhyme or reason. We hope you found this video helpful, and it helps you feel more confident in your English speaking abilities. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more great content. Happy learning, and see you in the next video.